It's been a tough week for Indian cricket fans, as India's hopes of retaining the Border Gavaskar trophy were dashed by a dominant Australian team. India faced a crushing 1-3 defeat in the 2024-25 edition of the series, and with this loss, former cricketers including Sunil Gavaskar and Irfan Pathan have spoken out strongly about the current state of Indian cricket. I think the next 8 to 10 days are crucial for Indian cricket to take a good, honest look at itself. Most importantly, the star culture has to end. Total commitment to Indian cricket is non-negotiable. Sunil Gavaskar, the first batter to score 10,000 runs in Test cricket, did not hold back. He slammed the players for their disappointing performances on the Australian tour and called for a significant cultural shift in Indian cricket. Players must make themselves available every single time unless there's a genuine medical emergency. If someone isn't fully committed, they shouldn't be considered for selection. We don't need players who are partly here and partly elsewhere. It's time to stop pampering anyone. The recent results have been disappointing. We should have been in the World Test Championship final but didn't make it. Strong words indeed from the legend. Gavaskar's frustration stems from India's failure to qualify for the World Test Championship final for a third consecutive time. Despite being in a commanding position earlier in the year, India could only manage to win one of their last 8 tests, ending their hopes for another ICC trophy. Former Indian all-rounder Irfan Pathan too echoed similar sentiments, urging for the end of the superstar culture in Indian cricket. India does not need superstar culture. India needs team culture. Tell me, when was the last time Virat Kohli played domestic cricket? When he was free, when did it happen? He pointed out that even the great Sachin Tendulkar, despite having nothing to prove, continued playing domestic cricket to maintain his sharpness and contribute to the team. Even the great Sachin Tendulkar played after that, and he has also retired. He didn't need it but still came forward and played to stand on the pitch, field for 4 days and bat in the second innings, making runs or not. Who is going to tell him? He's made a lot of runs. Pathan's criticism also targeted Virat Kohli, who has been struggling with his form and technical issues, especially his repeated dismissals outside the off stump. Pathan called for more accountability from senior players, saying that it's time to give younger players a consistent run in the team. When it comes to the Indian team in 2024, the first innings average for Virat Kohli is 15. And if we take it for the last 5 years, it won't even be crossing the 30s. Does India deserve this form from their senior players? Better than that is to give consistent chances for the younger players. They will give an average of 25 to 30 because we are talking about the team here, not individuals. Pathan's frustration is clear. He's not trying to degrade Kohli, but his point is valid. A player like Kohli and his experience should be able to rectify his technical flaws, especially when there are so many resources available for improvement. It's not like we are talking to try and degrade Virat Kohli. He has indeed made a lot of runs and done well, but if you are getting out the same way repeatedly and doing the same thing again and again, not working on the technical things like Sunny sir mentioned, how long would it take for him to make that change? Both Gavaskar and Pathan have raised serious concern about the culture within the Indian dressing room. Gavaskar called on the BCCI to take a stronger stance, saying the cricket board needs to stop acting like admirers and put their foot down. They must tell the players that Indian cricket comes first. It's either a full commitment to Indian cricket or other priorities. You can't have it both ways. If Indian cricket is your priority, only then should you be selected. It's clear that there are major issues within Indian cricket that need urgent attention. The star culture, lack of accountability, and inconsistent performances from senior players are just some of the problems that need to be addressed. What do you think? Is it time for a cultural reset in the Indian cricket? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.